In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the call ending problem on your device. Many users face an issue where calls disconnect automatically without pressing anything, just like what you see here. When I try calling my brother, the call cuts off immediately and shows call ending. Don't worry, this video will guide you step by step on how to fix this issue on any Android device. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check whether your outgoing caller ID or call settings are blocked. Open your phone app and dial *31#, then tap the call button. This will disable any outgoing call restrictions that may be causing the problem. You should now see a message indicating that outgoing call services have been enabled or disabled. If outgoing calls were blocked, this code will fix it. Next, dial #31# and tap call again. This ensures your caller ID is unblocked and your device can make calls normally. After completing these steps, try calling someone again. As you can see, when I call my brother now, the call connects successfully without ending automatically. So that's how you fix your call ending problem on any Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.